All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for the Brewers 2003 All-Star. So we'll check the time, September 27th at 5:22 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got September 27th at 5:22 p.m. There is the list of our 28 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck looking for the top 3. It is Scott, Keith, and Justin. So, Scott, you'll get first pick of 7. I think, Keith, then you got 4, and Justin, you get the remaining 3. So there is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, September 27th, 5:23 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.